Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is from digital circuits, that is number systems. I have taken 10 to 11 examples that are asked in previous year ESE prelims from number system. So let's start. Question 1 is find F's complement of 2BFD. Now we know that in hexadecimal number system, our number system is like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. So I have written this number system whole. Now to find F's complement, we will subtract the given number from FFFF. So FFFF minus 2BFD. Now to perform this subtraction, this D is D, subtract D from F, then this F is 2 places away from D. As D plus 2 is equal to F, from this we can easily say that D plus 2 is equal to F. So here 2 will come. F minus F is 0. Now F minus B. Now B plus 4 is F. So here 4 will come. And from 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D. D places away from F. So D402 will be our right answer. It is our F's complement. Now the next question is number of digit 1 present in binary representation of 3 into 512 plus 7 into 64 plus 5 into 8 plus 3 is what? So here if we observe, then we can represent 512 as 8 raised to 3, 64 as 8 square, 8 as 8 raised to 1 and 1 is nothing but 8 raised to 0. So this is sequential representation in terms of powers of 8. So I will now represent 3, 7, 5 and 3, that is multiples of powers of 8 in binary form. 3 can be written as 0011, 7 can be written as 0111, 5 can be written as 0101 and 3 can be again written as 0011. Now to find the number of ones present in the binary representation, we just measure or count how many ones are present in this 3, 7, 5 and 3. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 ones are present here. Now the next question is the number expressed in binary 2's complement form is 10011. Its decimal equivalent is what? In case of 2's complement, we know that this will be our sign bit and this will be our magnitude bit. As here sign bit is 1, our number is negative. If sign bit is 0, then the number will be positive. But here at sign bit is 1, number is negative. Now 0011 is 2's complement form. So first of all we will convert it into 1's complement. To convert it into 1's complement, we will subtract 1 from this. So we will get 0010. And now this is 1's complement of number. So the actual number will be 1101. So now this number will be 1101. To find its magnitude, we can easily write 1101 in decimal in binary equal to 2 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 1, but it is 0, so it is 0. 2 raised to 2 plus 2 raised to 3, that is 1 plus 0 plus 4 plus 8, that is 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 8 13. So this number will be 13, but it is having negative sign, so our decimal representation, decimal equivalent is minus 13. So 2's complement 10011 can be represented in decimal equivalent as minus 13 in decimal. So the next question is the numbers are given with base 4. 2.3 base 4 plus 1.2 base 4 gives us y base 4. So first of all we will check this base 4. Base 4 is, we don't know base 4 because it is not standard, but still we will try to solve. Here 2.3 I can easily write it as 2 can be written as 2 into 4 raised to 0 and 3 can be written as 3 into 4 raised to minus 1. So 2 into 4 raised to 0 plus 3 into 4 raised to minus 1 plus 1 into 4 raised to 0 plus 2 into 4 raised to minus 1. And we will get the value of y. But first of all we will find LHS. What is left hand side? 2 into 4 raised to 0 is 2. 3 by 4 plus 1 plus 2 by 4. Now adding we will get 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 2 5 by 4. So it will be 3 plus 5 by 4. 3 plus 5 by 4 is nothing but 4.25 in decimal. So now we got decimal numbers is decimal equivalent of this y to the base 4 is equivalent to 4.25 in decimal. Now again solving, we will get this 4.25 in decimal is equivalent to y in base 4. So to convert it into base 4, we will divide this whole number with 4. 4 ones are 4, 0, 4, 0, 1. So 4 can be represented in base 4 as 1, 0, base 4. And to convert this 0.25 into base 4, we will multiply it by 4. 0.25 into 4 is 1 and 0.00 into 4 is 0. So this 0 will continue. Now don't go for next step. So our total representation of this number in base 4 will be 4.25 in decimal can be written as 10.1 in to the base 4. So 10.1 is our right answer. Now the next question is, what is gray code if binary code is 101011? So to find gray code using binary code, we will arrange this given bits as it is first, 101011. Now take first bit as it is, that is most significant bit or MSB bit as it is 1, and then perform XOR operation in between adjacent or neighboring digits. So perform XOR operations. 1 XOR 0 is 1, 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 0 is 1, 0 XOR 1 is 1, and 1 XOR 1 is 0. So here nothing but we are performing XOR operations. So our binary to gray code conversion is, now this is our gray code, 111110 is our gray code. Now the next question is 73 to the base x is equal to 54 to the base y. Then what are the values of x and y? For here they have given some options I have mentioned because it will be easy by using options to solve this example. Now 73 into x can be written as 7 into x plus 3 into x raised to 0 is equal to 5 into y plus 4 into y raised to 0. It can be also written as 7x plus 3 equals to 5y plus 4. Now we will check option by option which is right for the values x and y. If x is 8, then this value will be 7 into 8, that is 56. 56 plus 3 is 59. And if y is equal to 16, then this value will be 5 into 16, that is 80. 80 plus 4, 84. 59 is not equal to 84, so option A is wrong. Then if we check option 10 and 12, 10 into 7, 70. 70 plus 3, 73. 12 into 5, 60 plus 4, 64. 73 is not equal to 64, so option B is also ruled out. Now 9 and 13, 7 into 9, 63. 63 plus 3, 66. And 13 into 5, 65. 65 plus 4, 69. So here also the option is not right. Now check last option 8 and 11. If I put x is equal to 8, then I will get 7 into 8, 56, 59. And 5 into 11 plus 4, then 55 plus 4, that is 59. So as this equation is tally, so option D is our right answer, 8 and 11. For the values of x and y, 8 and 11, this equation satisfies. Now the next question is, BCD code for 874 is what? Now we know that we can represent BCD numbers are ranging from 0 to 9. Only 0 to 9, and for any number that is coming greater than 9, we will subtract 6 from the number. But here it is not case because 874 all the numbers are under 9. So just represent them in binary format. 8 can be written in binary as, we know that the representation of 8 is 1000, representation of 7 is 0111, and representation of 4 is 0100. So our BCD code is nothing but binary representation 100001110100 is our right answer. Next question is, hexadecimal equivalent of 227 decimal is what? So here we have to convert it into hexadecimal. Divide 227 by 16. 16 ones are 16, 6. 16 fours are 64, 3 is remaining, 16 0, and 14 is remaining. Now 14 can be represented in hexadecimal as A is represented as 10, B11, C12, D13, E14, F15. So 14 will be E, and 227 in decimal can be represented as E3 in hexadecimal. So E3 hex is our right answer. Now the next question is 9's complement of 25.639 is what? To find 9's complement, just subtract the given number from 9. 99.999 minus 25.639 will give us 9's complement. So it will be 063.47. So 74.360 decimal will be the 9's complement of given number. 74.360 is right answer. Now the next question is subtract 11011 twice, that is binary, from 111012 using 1's complement method. Now here we have to subtract this number from this, so keep this number as it is, 11101, and using 1's complement method we will perform 1's complement method. That means we will take 1's complement of this number which has to be subtracted from the given number, and we will add this 1's complement to this. So add 1's complement of this is nothing but 00100, 00100. Now perform addition. 10110 carry 1, 110 carry 1, 110 carry 1. Now carry is coming 1. While performing subtraction using 1's complement, if carry is coming 1, then add this carry here. So perform addition again. 110 carry 1, 000. So the subtraction has result 00010. Subtraction will have result 00010. This is final answer using 1's complement method. Now if I perform the subtraction using our general method, then what will be the answer? 0. 110 carry 1, 000. Then the again answer is same, 00010. So using 1's complement method, this is answer, and using general method, general subtraction, the answer is matching with this answer. So the answer is right. Now the next question is, what is 2's complement of minus 17? Now first of all, in 2's complement number format, our sign bit, this is sign bit, and this is magnitude. As the sign is negative, 100% sign bit is 1. When number is negative, our sign bit is 1. Number is positive, sign bit is 0. So here 1 will be the sign bit. And to find magnitude of this, we will first convert 17 into binary format. So 17 in decimal can be represented as 10001 in binary. And now we have to represent it in 2's complement form. So first of all, we will find 1's complement of this. 1's complement of this will be 01110, and 2's complement of this means add 1 to 1's complement. So while after adding 1 to 1's complement, we will get 2's complement format of 17 as 0 4 times 1. So 0 4 times 1. So our final representation of minus 17 in 2's complement format is 101111 will be our final answer. Friends, if you find this problem set very useful, then please like, share and subscribe, and please watch all my videos that I am providing. Thanks for watching.